Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make some scrambled eggs with cottage cheese, which gives them a totally different texture and flavor. It is so good. First, we're going to use 1 whole egg plus 1 egg white and a 1/4 cup of, in this case I'm using full-fat cottage cheese because by using just 1 whole egg, there's not as much fat in there and it's perfect for our bariatric patients. We're gonna season this to taste with salt and pepper. And then we're gonna whisk this thoroughly. Those little pieces of the cottage cheese, the curds, are going to melt when we cook this in the pan. But if you want to make sure that there's no pieces at all in your scrambled eggs, you could blend it real quick and make it smooth before mixing with your eggs. Then we're going to heat a pan over medium heat and add a teaspoon of olive oil. And then we're going to throw the egg mixture on there. And the technique we're going to use to move the eggs around is using a rubber spatula. We're just going to push and pull until it's fully cooked. You might flip it here and there a couple times. And so we get these nice soft pieces of egg. Super simple. And to make it super pretty and delicious, you can always garnish with some sliced green onions. I love the combination of eggs and green onions. It just adds such a big pop of flavor. And there you have it. Super simple. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.